Hi, Peter Ronan, New York Fashion Times, and I'm here with.
Ash.
Hi, Ash. How are you?
Hi, I'm wonderful. How are you?
You look wonderful,
Thank
and
you.
I'm better that I'm here next to you. So, tell me a little bit about this look. Which designer is this?
Well, it's for Diva Couture.
Okay.
The hat is obviously the staple. Um, it's a two-piece. We've got a lot of bedazzling going on, and it's just a whole vibe. Like, I feel like I could honestly wear this anywhere, but it's definitely giving me like European vibes right now.
Gotcha. Can we have a slow turn in the piece? Thank you. So remind us again where we can find you.
My Instagram is Ash Simkov, and I'm based here in Florida.
Great. Well, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. You're
Thank
watching
you.
New York Fashion Times.